Procedure for replacing and cleaning the Y filter, heating system. This video illustrates the steps required to correctly perform the replacement and/or cleaning of the Y filter installed in the press heating system. Preliminary informations. The operations shown must be carried out exclusively during maintenance of the press. Ensure full compliance with all applicable safety regulations. All activities must be performed only by qualified and properly trained personnel. Required personnel: 1 operator. Step 1. Close the 2 shut-off valves on the heating system circuit to isolate it. Prepare a suitable collection container to catch any oil that may drain out during the operation. Use a 32mm wrench to unscrew the Y filter cap. Step 2. Wait until the oil flow has completely stopped, then proceed to remove the strainer. Filter cleaning procedure. Use compressed air to remove any debris or impurities from the filter. Visually inspect the condition of the component. Warning: if the filter appears excessively damaged or worn, replace it with a new one. Step 3. Insert the filter into its housing and screw the cap back on using the 32mm wrench, tightening securely. Reactivate the circuit by reopening both shut-off valves.